upstairs and we're headed out to the back porch. Lisa and I originally wanted to turn this into a sunroom, and I just did a little bit of exploration, and it turns out that immediately behind this paneling there are a few windows that are already in this room, but I've already took some of the paneling down, and as it turns out, this entire wall at one time had windows in it. Well, it was a screen porch, because this is metal screen. They put plastic over it to try to keep some of the weather out. But this entire wall was at one time a screened in back porch. So I'm going to continue taking down some of the paneling for today, and then eventually someday you'll get to see this restored to a sunroom with the windows that you saw me bring up earlier. So thought Lisa might be excited to see what's going on in here. So there you have it. A previously screened in back porch is what used to be in here. Now we're going to restore it so we can kind of see what it will kind of look like, except we're going to have almost floor to ceiling windows in here. So that'll be kind of nice. Another surprise, there was a hole right here, so they had a dryer hooked up right here, which is a good thing for us because we're planning on putting our laundry room right inside this room. So that won't be too hard to move. Interesting. All right, stay tuned.